Unraveling the mystery. Lost in the sauce, explained. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and somewhat quirky phrase that you might have heard in English conversations. Lost in the sauce. It's a colorful expression with a rich flavor of meaning, and understanding it can add a new layer to your comprehension of English idioms. So, let's break it down together. Lost in the sauce is an idiom that can be used in both literal and figurative contexts. Literally, it might conjure images of someone struggling to find their way through a thick sauce, which is amusing but not the usual application of the phrase. Figuratively, it means to be overwhelmed or confused by a situation or to be so involved in the details that one loses sight of the bigger picture. Sometimes, it can also imply being under the influence of alcohol or drugs to the point of disorientation. While the exact origins of "lost in the sauce" are a bit murky, it's a phrase that has gained popularity in English-speaking cultures for its vivid imagery and the ease with which it conveys a complex state of being overwhelmed. It's often used in casual conversations, particularly among younger people. The phrase can vary slightly in usage, but its core meaning remains centered around confusion or lack of direction due to excessive involvement or influence. To help you understand how to use "lost in the sauce," let's look at a few examples. In personal situations, after trying to follow the complex instructions for assembling the furniture, I was completely lost in the sauce. In work-related scenarios, during the meeting, when everyone started using technical jargon, I felt lost in the sauce. Regarding substance use, he had so much to drink at the party, he was totally lost in the sauce. Incorporating "lost in the sauce" into your English conversations can add a playful or empathetic tone, depending on the context. It's a great way to express feelings of confusion or being overwhelmed in a way that's likely to resonate with others. Remember, idioms like this one are best used in informal settings. And that wraps up our exploration of "lost in the sauce." We hope this video has cleared up any confusion about the phrase and that you're now more comfortable using it in your own conversations. Idioms are a fun way to enrich your language skills and connect more deeply with native speakers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful English language tips. See you in the next video.